Hi there, I've been meaning to make this video for a while. I just haven't really got the time at the moment to make videos. It's just hard balancing videos in college. I know I don't have a lot of you watching this right now, but a few years ago I started the channel actually. So I made the channel in 2014, right? I've been uploading videos since, and I've never sort of got any traction really. I've never really gone anywhere. I'm nearly at 300 subs, but that's sort of the high point of my channel at the moment. It's like I've never ever broke 1,000 views on a video. Recently I made another channel called Fortnite UK, and I literally just come up with a good idea and I broke like 10,000 views on my first video, or one of the first videos that I made. That's awesome, but not on this channel because obviously I haven't made like even 10,000 views overall. I've just about made that. Yeah, I thought it was just time for a change. I was just going to explain to you guys what this actual channel is about, and I'm actually going to stick to a certain routine and a certain, certain videos that I'm actually going to make, not just any old random videos like Omegle videos and all this other crap like video edit videos. I don't know. Trying to do college at the same time. I've got one course that I do media, but I do that throughout the whole week. And then I actually work at Tesco's and I do that for 3 days of the week. So I've got a pretty busy schedule. I just need to find time to make these videos. And what I'll do is I'll plan for like 2 days of the week, and I'll make a video each day and upload it on that day. So hopefully there's content for you guys to look at. Please let me know in this video, this is why it's really important. Please let me know what type of videos you want me to make. I know a lot of you want me to edit a video challenge, so I can basically just do like competitions and just give you money, but I actually don't have like a lot of money at the moment. I need to start saving the money. I mean, if my channel ever gets big and I do make money off YouTube, then I'll probably start making videos like that, because then sort of you are making me money and then I'll literally just be giving that money back to you. The first video idea that I've sort of got in mind is just donating to people, obviously. Like that's how Mr. Beast sort of got traction, just from giving people, and I love giving people like money and stuff because it helps them and makes them happy. That's like the sort of main reason. Like I don't really care about money that much. It's just the fact that I want to make other people happy, and that's sort of why I made this channel in the first place. I was trying to realise this, and I was trying to like figure this out. I've been trying to figure this out for about 5 years now, obviously, and I think I've finally sort of got to my senses. So I don't know, you guys let me know what you want to sort of see from this channel. I know I've got nearly 300 subs, so please take a look. Any options, just give it to me, and comment down below, and I'll literally check all of the comments because I don't get a lot anyway. But yeah, my name is Josh. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it wasn't the best, and yeah, have a great day. Like, subscribe, and I think that's it. Peace.